Good morning, everybody. This is Cliff with Flamingo Power Wash. Back with another video for y'all. Today we're doing the driveway cleaning here in Carrollwood, Florida. We have 2 more jobs on the schedule after this one here. So y'all follow along. I appreciate y'all checking in with me, subscribing to the channel. Thank you, man. So yeah, like I said, we already set up, ready to go. Got my line ready to go. We're gonna start downstreaming a pre-treatment on this, and I'm gonna surface clean it, rinse it, and we out to the next job. Customer has a lot of tanning stains. Those don't come up with surface cleaning, so you got to post treat those with a little SH 50/50 or even straight. The pump sprayer, spray it up on it, it just disappears. Guys, we all done here. As you see what I did for the tinning stains, put on some, actually I had straight SH in there, pump sprayer, took them right up. They were all over the sidewalk. You can tell little bubbles, see little clouds. That's from the tinning stains, that's what they were. Got a little bit left over here, but all that will come up as the SH dries. This little walkway was full of it. You can see how it's foaming up. But we're all done here. We're gonna go ahead and pack up. We already packed up already. Head into the next job. See y'all there. All right, guys, we all set up right here with job number 2. I got this job through my homeboy right here. He owns a landscape company, and you know what I'm saying, he called me out. He has this customer that wants his driveway, you know what I'm saying, it looks a little dirty, and a house wash, but ain't nothing too big. We're gonna go ahead and downstream this, and shouldn't take us that long, really. Just a little small house. House is about maybe 1,000 square feet, so it's not really, it's gonna take us long at all. Most of the algae is on one side of the house. It's not so bad over here. I think this side here is the worst. Let's check it out. So over here is the worst side of the house. Got some auxiliary fungus on here that don't come off. That's from the mulch. But I got some stains on the vinyl. Downstream gonna take care of that easy. So we're gonna go ahead and get set up and start working. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and start. We're gonna start downstreaming from here to the front. Come back and rinse and do the same thing on the next 2 sides. We're doing like I said, we're doing the house wash and also the driveway. So do the house first, then we come back and do the driveway. Actually, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and wet everything downstream the whole house. It's only 1,000 square feet, so by the time I get soaked up all the way around, I can come back and rinse with no issues. I don't have to worry about anything drying. I might have to keep my eye on this wall a little bit just because the sun is right on it, but it's pretty wet right now, so it should be good. So all the walls has been downstream, and I'm gonna circle back around and rinse everything. Alright guys, we're all done here. Got the house wash done. Let's see what time it is. 12:39. I started about 11:30. So about an hour. Counting time to pack up, you know what I'm saying? Took us an hour. Like I said, this is like a little bit over 1,000 square feet house. And I did the driveway. Came out pretty good. Did the sidewalk over here. Yeah man, wasn't not much to it really. Just a basic house wash. The vinyl came out pretty good. Vinyl siding. That's the best thing to clean, I swear. Nice and easy compared to stucco. But we're done here guys. We're gonna head up to the third job of the day, which is a big house. I think the house is like 4,700 square feet. So we'll catch you guys there. Alright guys, we're at the last job for the day. We're doing a house wash, pool deck cleaning. We're doing a little patio, screened in patio. It's a nice little big property. This is Sam person that got me into the last job. My homeboy's business right here. He's a landscaper, so he put me up on this job. This is his personal house. Got a lot of mold and algae on his gutters. Up there on the vinyl, there's some more algae buildup. All right. As you see, it's pretty dirty over here. We're gonna knock out this little screened in little patio for him. We're gonna be doing the pool screen up there and the pool deck. I got these steps. Gotta watch out because we got some chipping over here on this old paint. And that's it, man. Right now it's about, you see, 1:21. We're We're gonna start from back here and knock out this cage, and then we're gonna do the house. Guys, the project is done. Took us a little while. We got here at, what time I got here? Around 1 o'clock. It's almost 4 o'clock right now. So 3 hours. I did the pool deck, the pool screen, the house, 2 more patios, screened in patios. Also did his fence. Did that fence back there. Couple of sidewalks like around here, like this stuff here. Like I said, I did the inside of this lanai right here. I did the pool screen and pool deck over there. We did a house wash. The house, like I say, is 4,700 square feet, so it's a pretty big house. But everything came off. Had a lot of black algae on this wall here and up there, but you see what it looks like now. Everything is looking pretty good. I'm packing up right now, and we'll be done for the day. So I appreciate y'all checking the videos out. Stay tuned. I'll be uploading some more videos soon. So until next time, peace.